Oh boy. Oh, where am I? I am the donkey. I will be doing an album for you. I'm gonna review Jefferson Airplane Surrealistic. I have a song called Hop Hop. It just goes like I don't know where that came from. I don't know where my mind is at. Well, all I know is let's just get into the songs. First song is called like 3/4 of a mile in the pencil. It goes bump a bump a bump a bump a bump bump. You wanna write your name on my face? I took the shavings right off of your place. It's a stupid song. Second song I think called Somebody to Love After You've Had Garlic Breath. It goes, don't you want somebody to love after you have had garlic breath? Don't you need somebody to love after you have had garlic breath? Don't you? No, you don't. Don't you? No, you don't. Eat a salad instead. Eat a salad instead. It's a great song to learn how to eat by. That tells me, would you like to eat me? Okay. The third song was something called, I think, Today. It just goes, today is today. Because today is today. Because today is today. I could say that. I could say, I am me because I am me. I am me because I am me. You don't mean nothing. Next song is something called like Floating Paper Begonia. I forget why they called it that. But I do know that my mommy spanked me when I was young and I enjoyed it. Then the next song, I think it's called Plastic Poopy Flower. It's about some guy in a steel mill who took a flower one day and lit it on fire and it turned into rubber. And it hurt him in his crotch. It's some sort of weird industrial protest tune. I don't know what it's about, but I do know that I like the imagery. Then there's a song called, why did they have to call it this? It's called Fag Nose. It just goes, fag nose, da 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 da. Don't you want to play your guitar? Don't you want to do the drums? Pump, 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 pump. Fag nose, da 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 da. Don't you want to play your guitar? Don't you want to do the drums? Pump, 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 pump. It was a cool song, except I don't like to be called a fag. Then the last song on side one is Tortilla Chip Mysterioso. That's like some weird jam session between the guitarist and the bassist that goes like, I don't know what I think of it. But anyway, I have another song on side 2. The song is called 3/4 of a something and something. That could have been the song from the first side. I forget. But it goes like. I kind of don't know what's.